This video is going to be all about addressing whether or not you're too late to get into the how to draw niche, answering your questions, and helping remove any roadblocks that you may have about this app. Welcome to my channel. I really hope you have enjoyed this extra set of videos that I have shared this weekend, and I myself have been really excited for quite a while to be able to share the how to draw books generator app with you. I've really enjoyed using this app over the past few weeks because I especially love tools that help me make really creative, exciting, and fun books. Now, I know I've been seeing comments like there's no point buying this software, there'll be too many people in this niche now, YouTubers have ruined it for everybody else by sharing this niche and sharing this software. It's just going to be oversaturated now. So I do want to address some of these points and give you my opinion on it. Firstly, if you have watched any of my previous videos, you'll likely know my stance on oversaturation of niches and what I really think about that. Basically, I don't believe that any niche is truly oversaturated. There are niches that, yes, are very popular and very competitive, but the reason that there is so much competition is because there is so much demand for that product with customers. If customers weren't buying those books, so many people wouldn't be making them. And then just because there are already other books being sold in that niche doesn't mean that you can't just give it a go and see what happens and see if you can make a book better or different or more unique than the other books that are already selling in that niche. It's a little bit like the cereal aisle of the supermarket. It is massive. There are so many different brands and different types of cereal available. And some of those brands have been around for years and years, and some of those brands sort of dominate the market. But despite that, you still see new brands of cereal, new types of cereal popping up to the shelves all the time. Some stay there for a long time, some don't. And it's the same with any type of product in what would be thought of as an oversaturated niche. Just because there is already a book selling really well in a niche doesn't mean that customers wouldn't prefer something different or better. Then we have people out there who like to say that YouTube channels give away all the niches, make all the niches oversaturated, we ruin it for everyone else, and there will be so many people buying this software, there's no point even bothering with it yourself. Well, I really do wish I had that much power and influence over people, but that is really just not the case. Let's be honest here. There are a lot of people who come onto YouTube and watch a lot of videos about publishing books or making money online or building a business or whatever it might be. Do you want to have a guess at how many people actually do something with the information that they learn from all these YouTube videos or blogs that they read? Not many. The majority of people out there are people who want to do something. They talk about doing it all the time. They're going to do it. They do all the research. They watch all the videos, but in the end, they never actually take action. The truth is that only a very small portion of people who actually watch these kind of videos actually take action. Then out of that very small portion of people who actually take action, so they might actually go and buy this software, not all of them actually end up using the software. Lots of people out there buy courses, buy software, or whatever it may be, but they never actually end up learning how to use them, how to use the software, or they never end up completing the course and learning how to do whatever it is they want to learn how to do. So now we have an even smaller portion of people who do learn how to use the software, but not everyone is going to use it for the same reasons or to make specific how to draw books and things like that. Some will use it just to create pages to be included in activity books. Some will use it to create printables to sell on Etsy or in their own Shopify stores. Some will use it to create teachers' resources and sell it on platforms like Teachers Pay Teachers. And some may even just want to use it for their own personal use. So I do also want to go over some of the most common questions I've been getting about this niche and this software and answer them all in one place. So hopefully I can help everybody with answering any queries that you all may have in one go in one place. First, can you skip a tier or skip an upgrade? Yes, you can. You can purchase whatever upgrades that you want. Once you have purchased the How to Draw Books Generator tool or app, you can pick and choose whatever features you add to your software based on what's available. Is there training for the software? Yes, there is training. Once you log into your account, there is a section full of training videos on how to use the software. Can I buy it later? Yes, you can. But just keep in mind, the special launch prices are only valid up to 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on April 3rd. Is there a limit on how many pages or books I can download? If you purchase the How to Draw books generator and none of the upgrades, then yes, you are limited to 100 downloads per month. If you upgrade to the Pro version, however, you get unlimited downloads. And what is a download? A download is either a single page or a book of multiple pages. So it doesn't matter how many pages are within the project that you are trying to download. When you hit that download button, that is classed as one download. Can I really use this software for commercial use? Yes, this software is created specifically for people who want to create products, books or products to sell. There is no issue creating a book from this software, selling it on Amazon KDP or selling it anywhere else for that matter for a profit. That's what it's been made for. Which version of the software do I need to make step-by-step how to draw books? To be able to make the step-by-step how to draw books, you will need the premium version of the software, and the pricing structure is very unique with this one. So if you do purchase the premium upgrade before April 4, so before the launch pricing ends, you will get the premium version for a one-time fee of $197. After the launch ends, so from April 4, it will change to a yearly based subscription fee. So you will pay each year to use the software, and that yearly subscription fee will range between $297 to $497 per year. Is this niche saturated now? No. I did answer this at the beginning of the video, so you already know my thoughts about saturation. How can you be sure the images provided won't cause copyright, trademark, or plagiarism issues? The images provided with this software, so specifically the ones that are provided with the Elite version of the software, were all created from scratch by the developers of this software. This app itself has been created specifically for people to make and sell books or make and sell products containing these pages, so there are no issues using these images for commercial use within books or within products. I did speak to the creator of this software about plagiarism, and we did discuss the issue that some of you are concerned about plagiarism issues, particularly on Amazon KDP, if multiple people are using the same images within their books. Now, the idea of providing these images as part of the Elite version isn't so that you can create whole books made solely from these images that have been provided with this software. The developers wanted to provide them to you to supplement your own images that you will have in your book. So you can use the provided images in conjunction with your own images, and whether that is using them as an actual how to draw specific image or just using them on the page in some way to decorate your book, they can be used in a couple of different ways. In saying that, there is nothing stopping people from purely using these provided images and only those images within their books. And obviously, if there is hundreds of books being published to Amazon with the exact same images in it, it could cause problems. But hopefully people won't use the images in that way, because that's not the way that they were actually intended to be used, and that they do use their own images as well to create unique books. And that is how you are going to avoid any plagiarism or copyright issues, because you don't just use one set of images that you know multiple or many people are going to have access to as well. Yes, you can use those images that are provided to you in the Elite version, but also source your own unique images and mix them all together and use them in various different ways, and that's how you'll avoid having the same books as other people. So that was some of the most common questions that I have seen come up over the past few days about this software. If you do have a question that wasn't answered here, please pop it down in the comments and I will do my best to answer it, especially before the launch ends and that special launch pricing ends at the end of April 3rd. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.